In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 20 different load boards that you can use to make money in your sedan, in your coupe, or even in your cargo van. On some of these websites, you can make $100 in just 4 hours, and then some of these websites, you can make $100 in, 8 hours. At the end of the day, it all depends on how hard you want to work, how many different websites you want to use in one single day to make the most money you possibly can make for yourself. But yes guys, strap in, you're in for a treat. We have all different types of load boards and websites to go over. We got food guys, we got transportation, we got furniture, we got luggage, everything you need. So stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So before we get started with this video guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like always, I am giving you this free sauce, this free knowledge on how to make money the easiest way possible. All I ask is a like guys to push this video out in the YouTube algo, and just by liking the video you can help others make money, because then this video will get pushed out and other people will learn how to make money the easy way. But with all that being said, man, don't forget, man, be ready for this. It's gonna go fast. I'm gonna go down the list. Don't forget to screenshot and get all the information you need. But the #1 app and the first app we have to make this money and make this money fast with driving is gonna be DoorDash. Now on average, DoorDash drivers can earn about $25 per hour. You're sure to always get paid based off of calculated distance. And guys, you can get $2 to $10 per order. Plus DoorDash gives you 100% of the tips as well. The second one would have to be Uber Eats, and Uber Eats is similar to DoorDash. You can make $8 to $12 per hour with Uber Eats, and also you are getting 100% of your tips. You can do this with bicycle, scooter, car, and even, cargo van or truck if you want to, but we gotta be efficient on gas. We only doing cars, bikes, and skateboards. So let's get to the third. The third one would have to be Postmates. You can make up to $18 per hour driving with Postmates. They take 20% of the fee that customers pay, leaving the rest to their drivers. The best part is that there's no much on how much you can earn for your hours. So this means, guys, there is not a maximum of how much you can earn per hour. You can make $100 an hour if you wanted to, and if it's available for you to make. Then boom, we got GrubHub. So we're pretty much knocking all of our food sources out right now. We got GrubHub, and GrubHub was made in 2021. They are just like DoorDash. You keep 100% of the tips, and you can make about $8 per delivery. So let's say we just getting about 4 to 5 deliveries per hour. We can make, a good $30 to even $50 per hour when lunchtime is hot, when it's dinner time, baby. Then we got Bite Squad. Now, Bite Squad is only available in Arkansas, Florida, Hawaii, Minnesota, Mississippi, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, or Wisconsin. You might be able to deliver for Bite Squad. Pay up to $15 to $22 per hour, and that's Bite Squad. On to #6, we got Instacart. Instacart, you will go grocery shopping and you will be delivering, guys, and you can make $3 to $10 per hour, about $14 on average, and you can keep 100% of your tips. You must be 18 years old to sign up, and it's first come, first served. So you can use the app of however much you want and make the most money you want. And then boom, for #7 we got Shipt. S-H-I-P-T, Shipt. With Shipt, you can make $15 to $18 per hour and set your own hours, guys. You can work completely entrepreneurshiply, and you can work your own hours, $18 per hour, and you must be 18 years old with a car or bicycle to make deliveries. So you can have a bike or even a scooter or even a skateboard to get them wheels rolling. And then #8, we have Amazon Flex. Now, Amazon Flex is not available in every city. You will have to do your research based on if they're hiring in your city. I know in my city, guys, they're not hiring because they're already oversaturated. It's too many drivers. So Amazon Flex is also a good way to make money if it's available to you. Amazon Flex, you will get a work block reserving a block time, usually 4 hours, and you can make $18 to $25 per hour. You must be 21 years or older, have a mid-sized vehicle, 4-door sedan, van, or truck, a covered flatbed, and guys, you can just find an Amazon in your area and apply. For #9, we got delivery.com. For #9, we got delivery.com. Now, delivery.com is not known well as other delivery services. It has a presence in only 33 states in America, but you will be delivering food, alcohol, groceries, laundry, catering, and even gifts. Delivery.com drivers make at least $16 per hour, and you can set your own hours too. For number 10, we got GoPuff. And no, we ain't talking about no vape bars. GoPuff, you can deliver alcohol, food, snacks, groceries, and more. But what's different here is instead of driving to the store or restaurant to pick up the order as the driver, you go to GoPuff warehouse instead, and the company has over 500 warehouses. If you're familiar with DoorDash, guys, you know how DoorDash has Dash Mart, and you go straight to Dash Mart, the groceries is already ready for you, and then you take it to the customer. Same gist here, we just doing it with GoPuff. With GoPuff, you can make up to $18 to $25 per hour, and not including tips. For number 11, we got Saucy. Saucy is an alcohol delivery service and has a few benefits to drive at night or during the day. They promise customers a delivery within 30 minutes, anytime from 8 to 2 a.m. You can make $10 per hour delivering alcohol, and you must be 21 years or older to do these drop-offs and pickups, and they are checking IDs whenever you go pick up. For number 12, we got ease, because we got to make this money with ease. If you're 21 years or older and you live in this California, San Francisco Bay Area, Los Angeles, Orange County, San Diego, Sacramento, El Dorado County, and the Central Coast, you can apply to deliver cannabis licensed retailers with ease. Drivers earn $25 per hour making cannabis deliveries. So all you potheads out there, you bet not be stealing that cannabis and stealing the money, man, because the devil gonna get you. For 13, we got Favor Delivery. With Favor Delivery, it only exists in Texas. Worth mentioning because while you do not need to be 18, you don't have to have a driver's license. Some cities in Texas, you just need a bicycle. Plus, you can mix it up and deliver food and other things like dry cleaning. With Favor, you can have $18 per hour, and you don't even need a car, man. It's simple money right there in your pocket. Hop on a bike and deliver some laundry, deliver some food on a bike, man. Let's get it. For 14, we got Uber, and then for 15, we got Lyft, and that's pretty much self-explanatory. You would just need a clean driver's record, a pretty clean car, guys, and just make sure you have clean insurance. For 16, we got Carvatize. You can earn up to $300 a month on average by following a car advertisement to wrap your car, guys. Non-permanent advertisement, and at the end of this campaign, they'll remove it and apply a new one if you want to continue. So with Carvatize, you will pretty much be riding around town in your car with somebody else's business sticker slapped on your window like you are the company's car, guys. But yeah, guys, you can make up to $300 a month for just riding around with a sticker on your car, and that's just extra passive income for just, you know, having to look a little bit down bad for a couple days or weeks. For 17, we got TwoRow, and on TwoRow, this is where a site you can rent out your car and make money by having other people come to your spot of location and renting out your car for a few days. They call it hosting a car. If you have one car available to host, you can make over $800 per month. The car is in your portfolio, and the most important thing about TwoRow is you want to have professional pictures. You want to stand out from all these other cars, and professional pictures is going to put you on top of other cars already, because it's going to be better value, better quality, and if they think it's better quality on the pictures, they're gonna think it's better quality in person. So just by having professional pictures, you could probably charge an extra $5 or $10 a day for a car that's not even all that. For 18, we got GetAround. GetAround offers you the chance to host an extra car for people to book and drive around town. You can charge by the day or by the month depending on your client's needs, and all your earnings depends on the make and model of your car, where you live, also of course how many cars you host. GetAround host makes $694 a month hosting a 2013 Nissan Juke in Charleston. So that's just a comparison that you can make up to $700 a month for posting a Nissan. Number 19, we got OnMyWay. OnMyWay pays you to avoid texting and driving, and once you're all set up, you can get 2 cents per mile that you drive over 10 miles per hour and do not text. And you can get a one-time $2 bonus each time you sign up a friend. So with OnMyWay, this is a good affiliate product, guys. This is something that you can make money off of for your friends doing. $2 per friend. That sounds like a bet to me. For the moment you've all been waiting for. Number 20. Number 20 is called This App Saves Lives. This App Saves Lives is similar to OnMyWay. It rewards you for driving safe. You'll earn points every time you drive with your screen locked. and you're only using navigation, music, or hands-free calls. You can redeem points for rewards like a free burger or a Shake Shack or 15% off Dunkin' Donuts. So guys, this is pretty much, you drive safe and you can get, you know, some free lunch on a couple days out of the month if you keep driving safe, guys. And that is number 20, how you can make money just by driving. You don't even have to have anybody in your car. You don't even have to drive extra miles. You can just simply make money by driving, you know, 2 cents per mile. Come on, man. And you know, you can refer a friend as well. So these are the 20 websites, the 20 apps that you can use to make some good side hustles, some good side cash in your car, your 4-door sedan, even on your bicycle, guys. And if you like this video, if you found something interesting, and of course, if you're gonna find one of these websites and look it up right now, go ahead and like this video, man. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 100K. This is Black Investors Group, where we make money the easy way. And don't forget to check out the links in the description, guys. I do provide coaching calls for 10 to 30-minute conversation, and you can have it for $10 to get the best knowledge, the best consultation that you can get on YouTube to start your business, start a trucking business, start your dispatching business, guys. And I will give you all of the key information that you need. No promo, no advertisement, and just like the YouTube memberships, guys, you can get exclusive YouTube content over there. No promo, no advertisement, straight to the point. And with all that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo!